So I'm finally getting around to doing this broken CV joint boot. And once the boot gets broken, all the grease comes out and it becomes a big problem. Let's see if I can turn this thing holding the camera. You see how nasty that is. It's sprayed axle grease all over everything. The other side looks okay, but I'm just going to replace the whole axle. Let's spin that thing a little bit. See how nasty that is. Nice and shiny and complete and done, and just got to swap it out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 bolts on each side. 6 on each side, 12 total. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so the old axle is off. You can see how ripped that boot was, and actually the inside boot is ripped also. That's why this thing was clicking. It's all nasty, greasy. It's supposed to be, but all the grease is starting to come out. There's grease on all the parts down here, and you can see I got that's all open now. I'll worry about cleaning this up later. I'm going to go get the other axle on before the sun goes down. Alright, the new axle is installed. See it under there. No cracks. 6 bolts on each side, but they're a pain to get to. And without being able to hold the drum in place while I torque this down is kind of a pain, but it's all in there. Just got to button everything up. Take it for a test drive.